Hello guys, and in this video we will learn about keywords mapping and etc. So first let's learn what is the ultimate goal of SEO. So the ultimate goal of SEO is to match the searchers to the answers, means deliver product or actual information which people are looking for based on what they type in the search engine. In other words, when someone is searching something, we have to provide answers specific to this query on our website or blog. This is the main motive of SEO, or if you are a SEO expert, this is the must thing which you need to know. So now, by doing keyword research, we have to find various combinations that searchers are searching, and based on that, we have to provide contents that match the exact need of searchers. So content may be like web page, blog post, article, video, product or service page, pricing page. Okay, so now assume that you are working as a SEO agency. You are working as a SEO expert in an agency known as www.venusvilla.in. So Venus Villa is a company that offers villas and hotels as well as tour packages for places in Chicago and Los Angeles, Hawaii. Okay, so both Chicago, Hawaii are tourist places in US. So the general queries may be hotels in Chicago, villas in Hawaii, family package for Chicago, and Hawaii tour, Hawaii fun, Hawaii adventures, Chicago adventures, and best time to see Chicago, and the best hotels and the best villas in Chicago, Hawaii tour package. So these are the general search queries. So let's do a bit of keyword research. Now most of the SEO agencies create content based on the search phrases or user queries. But remember, Google will give importance to the relevant information to the user and not just the keyword manipulated web page. So you need to make relevant content. That is the best thing of SEO. So now let's understand how do we do keyword research. First of all, we have to think strategically why people go to Chicago or why people go to Hawaii. Who prefers holidays at Hawaii and Chicago? What relevant information we can provide here? So first of all, why people go to Hawaii and Chicago? Let me search it here. Why people visit Hawaii? Okay, so we can clearly see that the people, while every vacation destination has a few people, Hawaii has fewer than most vacation destination. A larger reason, however, that most people in Hawaii do promote the aloha spirit. So mainly they go for vacation destination. So mainly they prefer for vacation. So you can see the top 10 reasons to visit Hawaii. This page is ranking, this blog is ranking on the first page and on the first rank. So this is because they have done SEO. Now after getting all this content, we have to create a unique content, blog, web pages to match specific search queries of the searcher. Okay, so now let's take another example, that is of Manali. Manali is a place in Himachal Pradesh that is best for trekking and adventure. So now let's do a bit of keyword mapping. So search queries for people visiting Manali for the purpose of adventure trekking is as follows. People means write Manali trekking campus, Manali trekking season, Manali trekking packages, and Manali trekking price, cheapest hotels in Manali, Shimla trekking packages. So we have now found a keyword like in Nike shoes. Previous one we have found the keyword Nike shoes. Similarly, we found the keyword Manali trekking. Manali is famous for trekking. So we have now found out the main keyword which is used here. So now let's do a bit of keyword mapping. Now Manali is mainly for adventure trekking and family or group, and so people mainly go there for adventure trekking and with family or group. So now you have to, and now what you can provide activities, maps, eco travel, photography. So you are going to basically write a blog post that has all these keywords, as well as that must not be keyword specific only, that must be relevant to the user, and the goal is to match our contents to the searcher's query. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and meet you in the next video.